Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue with Science Class 3, the Human Body Part 6. And in this video, we are going to understand respiratory system of human body. So come, let's start. Children, we do various activities throughout the day. We brush our teeth, we eat, we read, we watch TV, and we sleep. And we do so many work throughout the day. But have you observed one thing? That whatever work we do, but we are always doing one thing. That is breathing. Exactly. We are always breathing. Whatever work we do, but we do not forget to breathe. So we breathe even if we are sleeping. Children, what happens to your breathing if you run, if you play, or if you do any physical activity, any hard work? What happens to your breathing? You start breathing faster. Our body starts breathing faster. Why it happens? Because our body need more energy. And we get energy from food and the air we breathe in, right? So we breathe in and breathe out the air. What happens to the air inside our body? Where does this air go in our body? So we will discuss about it. Let's see what happens to the air which goes inside our body. So we inhale through our nose, which goes to the windpipe and then to the lungs. So our lungs absorb the air we breathe in and it extracts oxygen from it and it sends out the air which our lungs do not absorb. So we breathe out carbon dioxide. This exchange of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide is called respiration. Respiratory system. The respiratory system extracts oxygen from the air. Oxygen reaches all parts of our body through the blood. This oxygen burns the food we eat to give us energy. We breathe out harmful carbon dioxide through nose. Now let's understand the organs of respiration. Organs of respiration include nose, mouth, pharynx, also called throat, larynx, also called voice box, windpipe, also called trachea, pair of lungs, bronchi, and diaphragm. The nose. We breathe in through our nose. When air enters in the nostrils, it is warmed and humidified. Tiny hairs called cilia obstruct dust and other particles that enter the nose through the breathed air. So we should always breathe in through our nose, not from our mouth. The windpipe. From the nose or mouth, the air enters to the windpipe. The two openings of the airway, the nasal cavity and the mouth, meet at the pharynx. The windpipe or trachea is further divided into branches called bronchi and which is further connected to the lungs. We have two lungs present in our chest. Lungs are a bit squeezy like a sponge. But they are not the same size. The lung on the left side is a bit smaller than the lung on the right. This extra space is left for our heart. Now from the windpipe, the air enters to the lungs. Inside lungs, the windpipe or trachea divides into left and right air tubes called bronchi, which connect to the lungs. Now within lungs, the bronchi branch into smaller bronchi and even smaller tubes called bronchioles. There are about 30,000 of bronchioles in each lung. Bronchioles end in tiny air sacs called alveoli where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide actually takes place. There are about 600 million alveoli in the lungs. Diaphragm. Beneath the lungs is the diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle that works with your lungs to allow you to inhale, that means breathe in, and exhale, that means breathe out, air. It also separates the abdomen from the chest. Let's see the process of respiration. When you breathe in, the diaphragm moves downward towards the abdomen. This makes the chest cavity bigger and pulls the air through the nose or mouth into the lungs. When you breathe out, the diaphragm moves upward and the chest wall muscles relax, causing the chest cavity to get smaller and push air out of the respiratory system through the nose or the mouth. So this is the process of respiration. Other functions of the lungs. Your lungs are amazing. Along with breathing, it allows you to talk, to sing, to shout, to laugh, to cry. And it happens with the help of voice box. When you exhale air through the lungs, it goes to the voice box to make different sounds. Take care of your lungs. Your lungs are very important and doing many functions in your body. So, how can we take care of our lungs? Exercise, morning walk or jogging, deep breathing, Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, that is alternate nostril breathing. Eat food rich in antioxidants. Fruits like apples and grapes, milk with turmeric, garlic, pepper, and walnuts are rich in antioxidants. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Less exposure to air pollutants. And laughing can make your lung healthy. So children, did you like the class? If you like the class, please comment your feedback in the comment section. And for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.